How to fix this problem with audio only on one side of the track. So you can see there's a waveform here on the top and the other one is empty, and I want to make a stereo track. So how do we fix that? Okay, so what we want to do is we want to locate these three dots next to the clip. You're going to click on that, and then we're going to go into split stereo track. Let's do that. Okay, so now that that's split the track, let's listen to it first. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert M4A file, which is an audio file. Okay, so there is that, just one track, and now we can just delete this track. Now let's listen to this video. I'm going to show you how to convert M4A file, which is an audio file, but you can see it's still on one side. So all we want to do is it's panned all the way to the left, so let's move it to the center. Okay, now let's listen to it again. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert M4A file, which is an audio file recorded on Android or okay, so now it's in stereo. All right, but let's do it another way. Okay, let's import the track again. All right, so once again we're going to locate the three dots. We're going to go up here, and this time let's try split stereo to mono. Okay, so once we do that, we can see that now we have two tracks. We can just get rid of this track. And now when we hit play, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert M4A file, which is an audio file recorded on Android or iPhone, and how to convert that to MP3. Alright, so now you can hear audio on both sides, and now we can just go ahead and export the file, and you'll have a stereo track, just like normal left and right audio. Okay, hope you found that useful. Let me know if you need any more help in the comments below. Bye.